Are you having trouble setting up notifications on Snapchat for your iPhone? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I will show you step by step how to quickly and easily configure your settings so that you never miss a message or an important notification. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, open up the settings of your iPhone, then scroll down and find Snapchat. It's going to be close to the bottom of the page, so just scroll down. Once you find it, simply tap on it. After that, tap where it says Notifications, and then toggle this on. Allow notifications. And then make sure you have all of these turned on. Lock screen, notification center, and banners, and also turn on sounds and badges as well. Once you have enabled the notifications for Snapchat in your iPhone settings, you also need to enable them in the Snapchat app as well. So to do that, exit the settings and open up the Snapchat app. And then tap on your Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of the screen. After that, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, tap where it says Notifications. And you will see all the different types of notifications that you can turn on. For example, you can turn on notifications of stories from friends, trending public content, friend suggestions, mentions, friend birthdays, and many more. You can also disable any one of these notifications by simply toggling this off, and that will disable that specific notification. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.